Aren't she a beauty? After your last adventure, I decided to build you this. The ultimate triamphibious vehicle. Everything you'll need. Land, air, and sea. Simply incredible.
Amazing.
Crikey. Not bad, Harry. Not bad at all. This is it. I'll keep the boat working.
We have to get to the temple.
I'll get you as close as I can. You can use the anchor to get down to the jungle floor. Good idea. You coming, Professor? I think I'll stay with Harry on this one.
Don't touch anything. This place may be booby-trapped.
Put down the gun, Senor Thunder, or I kill her. What was that?
Thunder.
We must hurry. Go get help.
Okay.
Senor Thunder, I'll leave Rudo to finish his work. He is really quite talented with a knife. Adios, amigo. Vamos, Maria.
Hurry, Johnny needs help.
Keep the anchor down. Hang on. Hurry, mate. We have to stop them. Get me and this anchor as close to the boat as you can. Now! Crikey, that was close. Are you alright, my boy? Yeah, and I know where the temple is. I think it's best if we go by foot from here. I agree. It's real. I can't believe it. Well, it's there. You are going to get the sun disk for us. You're mad, mate. I'll never get it for you. Fine. No! Doc! Johnny! You bastards. You can still save him. Retrieve the sun disk and I shall show you how. Time is running out. Rudo, you go with him. Crikey, look at the size of that thing. Oh, I go to bed. Ah! I got some dynamite in a plan. I think I know what you're thinking. I'll distract him.
I am the keeper of the disc, chosen by the elders to protect its secrets. I have waited a long time for you, Johnny Thunder.
You know my name?
Of course. You were destined to find this disc. The elders and I have foreseen this many years ago. You see, the sun disc is a keeper of time, giving the holder power to move back and forth through time.
My friend's died.
Take the disc. Save him.
What do you think, Johnny, my boy? Professor! Johnny! You act as if you haven't seen me in ages. Well, what do you think? Should I make the arrangements? Not this time, Doc. I have a feeling we'll just be chasing ghosts on this one.
Well, I just got this film from one of my buddies at World Magazine.
And?
You'll never guess.
My word! Now there's a real adventure right there.